There are over 800 million videos on YouTube right now, and the vast majority of the people who made them have never received a single payment from the platform. Not 1 cent, ever. So what separates the people who get paid from the people who don't? It is not talent. It is not the quality of the video. It is not even the number of views. It is something far more specific, and most creators never figure it out until it is too late. Here is what nobody tells you when you start a channel. YouTube will not pay you a single dollar until you meet two very specific thresholds at the same time: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of total watch time in the last 12 months, both at the same time. Until you hit both numbers, the ads run on your videos, but the money goes entirely to YouTube, not to you. Think about what that means. You could post 50 videos. You could get 500,000 views. But if your watch time is under 4,000 hours, YouTube keeps every cent the advertisers paid to reach your audience. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Because once creators do get monetized, most of them make a critical mistake. They think ad revenue is the business. It is not. For most successful YouTubers, ads are actually the smallest part of their income. So where does the real money come from? The creators who actually build wealth on YouTube treat the platform as a funnel, not a paycheck. Their videos bring in an audience, but the money comes from somewhere else entirely, from things YouTube has no control over and takes no cut of. Sponsorships, brand deals, digital products, memberships, courses, merchandise. A channel with 50,000 subscribers and the right niche can earn more from a single brand deal than a channel with 5 million subscribers earns from ads in an entire month. And the niche is everything, because advertisers do not pay the same amount to reach every audience. A channel about personal finance, software, or business attracts advertisers willing to pay $50, $60, even $100 per thousand views. A channel about entertainment or gaming might earn less than $2 for the same number of views. Same platform, same effort, completely different financial reality. So the real question was never, how does YouTube pay you? The real question is, what kind of channel are you building? And who are you building it for? Because on YouTube, the audience is the product, and the creators who understand that are the ones collecting the checks.